Hi, I'm Jari Peltonen, a product designer at STALA. We launched the One Inset Sink series November 2023. It's built from 16 different models. We have models with one sink, we have models with 1.5 sinks and with 2 sinks. So there are options from 40 cm cabinet to 80 cm wide cabinet. Because of that, the collection covers a really wide range of different kitchen design needs. And in addition to that, all the collection, all the models are included with functional working area. When we started the One project, at first we weren't quite sure how big and challenging the project is going to be. However, we always try to think customer-centric, so we started the project with discussing with our customers. We gathered information from the market about what kind of problems the new product should resolve. In other words, where could we help our customers best? The main goal right at the beginning was to develop something that would truly be useful in our customers' daily work. So based on the research, in practice, we had to disassemble the product and everything related to it, to the smallest parts, right down to the manufacturing methods. We had to challenge the status quo. Through that process, we thought about how could we improve the products as widely as possible and what we really should concentrate on. Where should the focus be? We came to the conclusion that there are 3 parameters that we wanted the project and engineering to focus on. First, to focus on user-centric design, we want to look over the construction and all the components and to concentrate on sustainability. When designing the collection, it was important to us that the final product stands out positively, will meet today's requirements and be relevant, and that the product is truly reliable. We surely didn't want to develop anything unnecessary. That is not in our design DNA. The main aspects behind this design is good functionality of the product. It has to work. It has to be timeless yet modern. Easy installation, regardless wherever the sink is installed, on a construction site or at the worktop factory. I really believe that visually long-lasting design minimizes the environmental impact and therefore is responsible. So there is no need to change the product near future just for the sake of appearance. It looks good, even after years. Also, all different worktop materials and installation methods have been widely taken into account in the design. In particular, we have focused on developing a simple and functional solution for undergluing the sink on laminate worktops. So we succeeded in a quite remarkable engineering achievement. Totally new type of method that improves and makes sink installation more efficient. It really brings cost savings to our customers. Beside of undermounting, a completely new type of fastening method was also developed for the top mounting, which makes that installation much more faster. Now at the end, when you look at the finished product, you can see clearly that all the components have been redesigned to get these results. We have also used a laser technology to improve the durability of the working area, to create unique, modern look to One series. When we studied the structure and materials, we wanted the new product to be much more environmental friendly than current products. We also wanted it to fit better with the different kitchen designs. These goals meant studying of material thicknesses of the product and focus on the designing the visual surface of the materials. The new surface of stainless steel is much more matte, not so shiny, that it fits better with the other kitchen materials. These new undermounting models is the result of years of hard work, innovation and persistent drive to create simple monomaterial product. Our innovation to that was to replace all the separate parts with just one part. the end result was a monomaterial product. Never seen before, just made of high grade of stainless steel. By that we achieved consistent quality to the highest demanding installation method, undergluing. Developing this product, One, we wanted to find out in more detail what kind of impact the product has on the environment as a whole, and how could we use the design to reduce the product's environmental load. Responsibility became one of the most central aspects of the entire project. Responsibility can be seen in almost everything in the One collection. We have done everything we can to ensure that the products meet today's and also tomorrow's environmental requirements. To make these products we use much less materials, much less chemicals, less plastic and less water and energy. And after all this, we have made One climate neutral. This is our first completely climate neutral product series. Remarkable achievement is our new set of accessories. And of course, responsibility was the direction to go. The starting point for the accessories was more responsible material choices, improve the usability of the kitchen, and it was really important to find out the right size for the accessories. Not too big, not too small. This also makes it much more easier to store them. We also wanted to take the product's life cycle into account. This can be seen on cutting boards, which are easy to disassembly. In this way, the life cycle of the product can be easily extended and recycling is easier. Our mission and purpose is to make the world more functional. This means we are not done yet. The same philosophy and passion which created One continues in the future. Good is not enough. We must strive for better. We will bring incredible new products in the coming years.